little friends, let's look around and name all the colors we see. Are you ready? Let's go!
Red is the color of an apple so sweet. A fire truck rolling down the street. Strawberries, cherries, and a rose so bright. Red is bold and full of life. Can you find something red around you? Yellow is the sunshine up in the sky. Bananas and lemons that catch your eye. A rubber ducky in the tub we play. Yellow makes a happy day. Say it with me, yellow. Green is the grass and the tall, tall trees. Peas and limes and big green leaves. It's the color of frogs and turtles too. Green is fresh and good for you. Let's hop like green frogs. Blue is the sky and the deep blue sea. Blueberries and jeans just like me. It's calm like clouds and oceans wide. Blue makes us feel cool inside. Can you wave like the ocean? Purple is grapes and a wizard's hat. A purple flower or a royal mat. It's magic, bright, and full of cheer. Let's shout, purple, loud and clear. Say it, purpley. White is snow and clouds above. Brown is chocolate we all love. Black is night when the stars are bright. Every color is a special light. Now let's sing them all together. White is snow and clouds above. Brown is chocolate we all love. Black is night when the stars are bright. Every color is a special light. Now let's sing them all together. Red and yellow, green and blue. Purple, orange, and white too. Brown and black, we love them all. Colors make the world so cool and tall. Let's learn colors every day. In our clothes and in our play. Point and say them all with me. Colors are fun for you and me.
Great job, little letters! You're now a color expert. See you next time.